Hello guys, so I am now in Barshaini. This is the starting point of Kirganga trek. We have met our guide here. His name is Jagu. Chalo, let's go. We have just started the trek and it seems like very high steep in the beginning, but going forward I just hope it will be more nice. And we have an amazing view all around us. Let's go further. So as I walk, you can see the view behind me. It's amazing. Look at this view. All going well. Let's see. Let's hike more. Since we started the trek late, there are no many people in this group. It's just like 3 of us, and it's really nice, quiet, and the nature here takes away all the tiredness, you know. Let's see. Amazing, right? We have a small waterfalls here on the way. This is a kind of tricky route now. Careful. Pura trek na. I have one favorite buddy because this is music gives me more energy. We're like now 5 kilometers towards the Kirganga trek. I think there is another 9 to 10 kilometers pending. Let's go. Look at this trek route, guys. It's so amazing. Look at the view, guys. Look at the view here. Almost 60% of the trek is completed. Another 40% to go. Let's go. So we have reached superb waterfalls on the way now. So just I want to show you this waterfall. Look at this, guys. Thank you. How is it?
It's so tasty.
Almost 80% we are completed. Just that balance 20%. It's little tiring and it started getting cold. Like almost 3.5 hours from the time we started our trek. Maybe it will take another 1 hour more, I guess. And just see the view. almost like 6:15 in the evening. The more closer we get to the peak, it's getting more difficult. It's like kind of high steep, so that is the reason it's getting difficult. And problem is I just had like one meals in the morning and now it's 6 o'clock. My stomach is empty. I just hope once I reach there I'll get some nice food. See, Nancy, how are you feeling?
Very tired, but yeah, enjoying this nature.
I think finally we have reached. Oh, you can see the small moon there. Oh. So never trek without having proper food like I did. It's super tiring. It consumes all your energy. But anyway, these last few steps I'm pushing. I'll go there and I'll show you the place. Morning from Khiraganga. You can see the view beyond me. Last night it was quite late, I could not show you. So it's like very cold now, and what we are going to do now is go to hot water springs and have a dip in the hot waters, natural hot waters here. Let's go. This is the hot water springs of Khiraganga. Bro, how are you feeling? How hot it is?
Quite amazing. If you're inside,
Look at this. I'll come inside. Guys, so I just had a hot spring bath in this pool here, in this nice climate. It was so cold and this hot water bath has made me so relaxing. All the pain of the body is just gone. And also we have a small temple here. It's a Shiva temple. Let's just go and explore it. I believe it's a Shiva temple right on this hill. Time has come that we are now descending back from Khiraganga trek, and it was an amazing experience, especially the hot water. How was your experience?
It was so nice, so hot water, and it was so relaxing. Just come. Don't even think twice, just come.
Yeah, and now I am feeling sleepy.
Same.
But the view here is so beautiful, so we are going to go down. Let's go. we actually took a wrong route while going down, and which costed me additional 7 kilometers of trek. And finally we are able to see the end destination here. Still it will take 1 hour to reach there. Finally reached the base of Parvati river. Let's see here.
Traveling has become a part of my life. To travel is to live, and to live is to travel. Going on this Khirganga trek had given me a lot of confidence in my life, and I won't forget this journey for my lifetime. This is my story of Khirganga trek. I hope you like this video. If so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I'm signing off. Bye bye.